Adventures with Rosy. Welcome back, guys. We are off for the weekend on another adventure. Harvey is currently cutting 3 teeth at the moment, so he's sleeping. He's not sleeping, and neither are we. So we thought we'd go away. And if we're not sleeping at home, we might as well not be sleeping in Rosy.
Just give me 5 minutes and I'll have the other number ready. I'll get a smoke. Next number, boys.
I can't forget the glamour. 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 We kissed in a...
Well, we just stopped in the town of Tito, which is about an hour north of Taupo. Quick lunch stop, and then about 40 minutes to our destination today. So we're heading to a place just outside of Tauranga called McLaren Falls. Big sort of camping area, waterfalls. Never been there before, I don't really know what to expect. The only downside to it is not dog friendly, so we've had to leave the little critters behind with Chelsea's parents. But yeah, we'll go and check that out. We've got some friends coming over tonight to meet us. The forecast for the weekend is just rain all weekend, so the campground might be quiet. Might just have to rug up and go for some walks.
So heavenly, my imagination, and we're so heavenly, so heavenly, so heavenly, my imagination, and we're... I can't forget the glamour. 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 We kissed in a field of white, in a field, and stars fell on Alabama last night.
Well, here we are at McLaren Falls Park campground area. We've just set Rosy up the top, going for a little explore to check it out. So behind us over here is Lake McLaren. The camp sort of backs onto this lake, and this lake has a small dam on the other side, which feeds into, I guess, McLaren Falls, so it lets a little bit of water out depending on the day and how much water's in the lake. And popular swimming spot. There's also a historic hydro power station here as well, so we'll check that out. Don't know if it's really swimming weather though.
All I need is you, baby, baby.